In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Outlook to CSV or Excel. We'll walk through two ways to do this, first in classic Outlook on the desktop, and then in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. A CSV file is a simple, widely compatible format that works great for moving contacts between apps, and you can open it in Excel to review or edit. If you're using classic Outlook on your computer, start by launching Outlook. Go to the File menu, then choose Open Export, and select Import Export. In the wizard that appears, pick Export to a file, then click Next. Choose comma-separated values and click Next again. Now select your Contacts folder. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're choosing the right one. Click Next, then use Browse to pick where to save the file and give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Before you finish, you can optionally map fields to make sure the column names match what you expect. This is helpful if you'll be importing the file somewhere else and want to align fields like first name, last name, email address, and company. When you're ready, click Finish and Outlook will create the CSV file in the location you selected. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, open Outlook and switch to People by selecting the Contacts icon in the side panel or navigation bar. In the toolbar, look for Import or Export Contacts, then click Export Contacts. Choose the folder you want, such as All Contacts, and confirm the export. The CSV file will be generated and saved automatically to your Downloads folder. Once the export is done, locate the CSV file. If you use Classic Outlook, check the folder you chose. If you use the new Outlook or web version, look in your Downloads folder. Double-click the CSV to open it in Excel. If it doesn't open automatically, launch Excel, go to File, then Open, and select the file. Review your data for completeness and correct column placement. If you plan to make edits or keep a formatted copy, save a version as an .xlsx file using File, Save As, so you have a working spreadsheet. It's a good idea to keep the original CSV untouched, especially if you'll use it later for importing into another service or app. That's it. You've successfully exported your Outlook contacts and prepared them for use in CSV or Excel. Thanks for watching.